Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna add such type of button to our WooCommerce site. Okay, so let me show you the homepage of my website, and we're gonna add any order. And if I order something, and if I go to the my accounts page, there will be an order tab, and here we gonna add this option for the request of the removal of the product. Okay, so here you can see that I have added so many options. So you can take any of the options which are the reason for the request. Okay, so from here you can choose any of the reason, and here you can enter any reason for the request of the cancellation of the order. Okay, my own reason, let me add this, and if I make it send, so it will so here you can see that it is saying the request of the cancellation here. And if you want to activate it, you have to go to the WooCommerce, and from here you have to go to the order section. And after visiting to the order section, here you can see that here it's a request for the order removal. So let me go to the order section, and from going to the order section, here you can see that there is an option for the request of the cancel request, and from here you can go to the cancelled option and then update it. Okay, so when you update it, let me go to the my account page again, and from here if you refresh the page, you, uh, if you refresh the page, you can see that the order is cancelled. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add this. Okay, so for adding this uh, okay, so for adding this, we're gonna use a plugin. If I go to the plugin, let me go to the plugin, and here you have to search cancel order WooCommerce, cancel order WooCommerce, and after going here, you can use this plugin by PI Web Solution. Okay, so I have already activated it. So go and install and activate it. Also, okay. So after this, you have to go to the WooCommerce, and from here you have to go to this section, cancel order request, and from here you can choose show cancel order request button on order with status. So okay, so for which status you want to give the means for which status you want to show that button. Okay, so let me choose the processing, and this is a free version, and these all option you will get in the pro version. Okay, so here you can add all the options or the reason for the removal of the product, which will be shown here. If I go to the cancel. Okay, so here it will show. Okay, so here you can add any reason, my own reason or something else. Okay, so here you can add this. Okay, so and this option is for the removal button after this time. Okay, so if you enter here 2 days, you have to enter this in minutes. Okay, so if I enter here 5 minutes, so the button will disappear after the 5 minutes. Okay, the button will disappear from here after the 5 minutes. So let me add here blank. Okay, so in this way, and if you want to make the order reason required, you can go and mark it here. Okay, so the order reason will be required when the user want to cancel its order. Okay, so let me save this option, and let me do one thing. Let me go to the home page, and let's add a new product, and I'm going to show you how to cancel it. Okay, so let me go to here, and let's add a new product from scratch. Add to cart, then view cart. Then from here you have to go to the buy now. Okay, let's fill out the form. The form is already filled. Okay, so let's place the order. So our order is placed. So let's go to here, my account section, and from here if I go to the order section, so here you can see that we are getting this cancel request button, and if I click on the cancel request button, we will get all the option and all the reason which we had just added here. Okay, so you can add so you can add any reason of your any reason what you want, and here you can add the admin message to show above cancel order request. please cancel my order. So you can add anything whatever you want here. Okay, so let me go here and let refresh the page and see if it's showing at the top or not. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, so here you can see that in the red color the option is coming. Okay, so if you want to style it or something, so I think in the free version it is not available. So if you want to know how to style it, you can go here, and if you know the CSS, you can go and inspect, and from here by using the ID and the classes you can change the uh, means you can change all of these from here. Okay, if you know the CSS, you can do by going to the inspect. Okay, so let me send the request. So if I send the request, please specify order cancellation reason. Okay, so we had mandatory it. Okay, so we have to take link this. Okay, let's reason it my own. Okay, so let me go here, and you can see that our request is submitted. So let me go to the so now we have to go to our order section, and in the order section we have to go to the first. So like here you can see that it is saying the cancel request. Okay, so let me go to the order page, and from here you can choose the cancel and update it. So when you do it, your order will be cancelled. Let's refresh the page, and here the status will be changed. Okay, so in this way, okay, so here you can see that the status is changed. Okay, so in this way you can change or remove your order from the WooCommerce. Okay, so if you like our video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you next time.